In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy CapCut Pro on your iPhone. Whether you're upgrading to unlock premium editing features or you simply want smoother exports, better effects, and an overall professional editing experience, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your CapCut app and go to your Profiles section. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Try CapCut Pro or Upgrade. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. These buttons are usually placed right at the top, so they're easy to spot and perfect for getting started quickly. Next, click on the Upgrade option. You'll see several subscription plans that help you choose the best version of CapCut Pro for your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. You can compare monthly and yearly plans, look at what each tier offers, and simply tap the one that fits your editing style. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in, ensure you have a valid payment method like a debit card or Apple Balance attached, and confirm that your internet connection is stable. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've selected your plan, you'll move to the payment confirmation step. After that, you should be able to activate CapCut Pro instantly without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to double-check that your subscription appears under your Apple ID's Subscriptions section. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your purchase secure, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to buy CapCut Pro on your iPhone easily and start enjoying all the premium tools CapCut has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be trying to upgrade too. Why not make someone's editing journey easier?